Today we're diving into something essential in modern day e-learning, creating mobile-friendly courses using Rise Articulate. Whether you're a seasoned instructional designer or whether you're just getting started, this video will help you design engaging, bite-sized learning experiences that your learners can access anytime, anywhere. So I'll be showing you exactly how you can design these courses yourself, step by step, just to show you how easy it really is. Plus, we'll talk about the benefits of this approach, how it can boost engagement and retention. And if you guys are new here, my name is Charlotte, and I'm here every single week posting you content to do with AI tools, e-learning, instructional design, and trends. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be updated every single week. Really enjoy creating content for you guys, so your input really does make a difference. Shall we get started? So what exactly is mobile-friendly e-learning? Simply put, it's about creating accessible courses on any device, whether it be a mobile, whether it be a tablet. This is crucial because let's face it, we're all glued to our phones. Whether we are just waiting in a line or commuting to work or just on a break, we're using our mobile phones. So that's why we need learning on the go, because that is the time we're most likely using is our phone. We really need to think about how we are going to implement the right type of e-learning elements that are user-friendly. So that's why Rise is really, really good for that. And I will go into more what bite-sized learning is later in the video, so don't worry about that. For now, we're going to focus on mobile-friendly. And what I mean by user-friendly, I mean the content adjusts to the screen, so that you're not just using one format, so whatever you may make on desktop version, it will be the same on mobile. It's making sure that it is friendly and user-friendly enough so that it can adjust to your screen. So if it is a mobile device, if it is a tablet, it has all the different sizes, so it's not just one size fits all approach. And of course, it looks great no matter how it is accessed as well. And the key to making this happen is by using platforms like Rise Articulate. So that is why I wanted to make this video today, to be able to show you the simple and basics that you need in order for you to create the mobile-friendly, bite-sized learning materials. Rise Articulate is a powerful tool for creating responsive, mobile-first e-learning courses. And what's the best part? You don't need to be a tech genius. Rise automatically adapts to your content to fit to any device, so you can focus on what really matters, delivering valuable content for your learners. Whether you're creating a detailed training module or a quick learning piece, Rise has covered it with its intuitive design and interactive elements. Okay, let's get started on the fun part, building your course. First up, open up Rise 360. You can click Create New, you have an option to create a course, or you have an option to create micro-learning. You can either choose a template that fits your content. Rise offers a variety of pre-built templates that are perfect for mobile learning. Whether you're focusing on text-heavy material or more visual approach, there's literally something for everyone. You can see here. Today I'm going to do a micro-learning from scratch, just to show you the basics. So if you are starting from the beginning, you know exactly what to do, where to go, etc. So I'm going to do, today's title is going to be about growth mindset. With Rise, it's all about blocks. So think of them like building blocks for your course. You can add text, images, video, quizzes, and even interactive elements like flashcards, scenario-based interactivities. So you've got lots of different options. And then when you click on there, you've got text, statement, quote, loads to use. So definitely play around, see what you fancy using. And then we've got multimedia, an audio file, video. You can download a PDF as well. So I want to find an image with text. So we're going to use image with text for today. You can use quotes, statements, etc. And then here we go, replace the photo. So you'll see here you've got paragraph with heading, you've got paragraph with subheading. So pick whatever is most relevant to you. So you've got lots of different options. And also if you want to change the color or the design of the course, you can click on theme. You can adjust colors, pictures, background layouts, etc. So have a look around, see what you fancy there. So here's a tip, keep your content concise and visually engaging. Use images or videos to break up the text, especially if there is a lot. But today we're just going to use 2 images, which will literally take the learner 2 minutes to complete. Okay, so now I want to preview it. So you can preview at any point throughout the process. So you'll see it loads and you have an option for desktop, mobile portrait, tablet, landscape. So we've got portrait and landscape for each, which is really good. So it allows you to see what it looks like in all devices, which is what we need to make sure it is looking aligned with throughout. So I like the portrait, so you click down here. Growth versus fixed mindset. Are you ready to explore? Click down, fixed mindset, and growth mindset. And it's just as simple as that. But do you see, these are broken down. And again, we've got the landscape mode, restart, click down. So I don't know which one you prefer here. It's all down to preference, but that means that it will literally show you the examples. So if someone skips it round to landscape mode or keeps it on portrait mode, so you'll know exactly how it looks. Because you know, sometimes you flip it round and it's like, it's not aligned because maybe you're using a different software that doesn't do mobile friendly, for example. And let's test what other different tools you can use. You've got, let's have a look at flashcards. That's another one you could add on there. This is a really nice one. I like this. Step 1, step 2, really, really nice. Click across. Very, very handy to add tips on there. You'll see how the flashcards work here as well. And then you could add label graphics. I've done a video on that as well, which allows you to also incorporate them on Articulate 360, but you can also do it on Google Slides if you don't have access to Articulate, if you want something free to use. You can add videos, lists, continue buttons. There's so many options. Knowledge check, mix and match here. So I'm going to add an example of drag and drop here. So you'll see you can match words. So I'm going to do an option of matching as well. So match the phrases with the correct mindset. So I can't improve this, which you can put under choices on the left. I can't improve this, fixed mindset. And then second choice, what should we put? Maybe mistakes help me learn. And then growth mindset. And then you'd select here any response or correct or incorrect response. So you also have an option there if you do want to do multiple choice, fill in the blank, matching, etc. In today's, I want to do matching. Okay, so you can play around with it, mix it up, and let's have a look how it looks. Go down, you can mix, drag and drop. There we go, very nice, correct. See all the devices. You'll see how it looks, and it's really fast to use. I like it on the tablet as well, which is really, really handy. So you have an option to share it with collaborators, to preview it as well. You can review it, so you can create a new item and get a review link. So send it to, you know, SMEs or anyone that wants to give some type of input before officially publishing it. And then you can publish it to the LMS, the web, PDF, etc. Obviously the LMS would be a SCORM file, so then you would input that into your LMS system. And then if you want to submit to Reach 360, you can put course duration and certification as well. So before you hit publish, make sure to test your course on different devices. You know, Rise allows you to preview how your course looks, how it looks on the phone, tablet, desktop, ensuring everything is optimized for mobile learning. And once everything looks good, you're ready to publish. So remember, the goal is to create a seamless learning experience. And I think Rise is great for that. It allows you to move blocks and move things around, making it perfect for mobile friendly. Now let's talk about micro-learning. Micro-learning is all about delivering content in small, digestible chunks. And it's perfect for today's learners that might not have time to do a full training course. And I think at least a couple of minutes implemented makes a difference than doing nothing at all. I've covered a video on eLearning trends, which I'll pop above, which goes over bite-sized learning in more detail. And the great thing about Rise is it allows you to either make full-length courses, but also micro-learning courses. So you're having the option there, depending on what you're trying to gain out of it. This way, when they do have those small few minutes available, they can do a small micro-learning piece and then go on to the next one whenever they're ready or available, which is great. Now, if you're already familiar with Articulate 360, you may be wondering how Rise compares to Storyline. Storyline is an incredibly powerful tool that offers a lot of flexibility and control, especially for creating complex custom interactions and animations. It's ideal for you to build highly interactive courses with detailed branching scenarios, or if you want to incorporate advanced multimedia elements. But with the power comes a steeper learning curve. So Storyline requires more time, I'd say expertise to master. And while it can be create a responsive content, it doesn't automatically adapt to different screen sizes in the same way that Rise does. To put a bit more work in to ensure your content looks really great across all devices. So it really does come down to your specific needs. If you're focused creating on courses quickly with minimal fuss and you want them to be instantly mobile friendly, Rise is the way to go. You know, it's perfect for you when you need to deliver polished, engaging content that works seamlessly across all devices without getting, bogged down with all the technical details. So I really think it comes down to your specific needs. If you're looking to have mobile friendly, easy to use, get it done quickly, then Rise would be the best way. But if you're looking to make your interactions or even animations more custom made, then Storyline would be the way to go. Obviously considering the design process will take longer, but if you are looking to have those specific requirements, then it would be the way to go. I do have a video for you guys on Articulate 360 Storyline, beginning stages, how to implement quizzes, as well as tabs, interaction, and all the basic stages above for you to have a look at. But do be sure to come back to this video afterwards so you can kind of compare whether you want to use Rise or you want to use Articulate 360. And there we have it, guys, showing you an example of how you can implement mobile-friendly e-learning elements into your materials. And whether you are focusing on micro-learning or full-length courses, it really is relevant. You saw on Rise there, you can make bite-sized and full-length courses. You have templates available for you, or you can completely start from scratch as well. And just remember that the key is to make our e-learning as accessible and engaging as possible for our learners. That's it from me, guys. If you did find this video useful, do give me a thumbs up and let me know if you have any questions at all. If you're not sure or you have any thoughts throughout the video, then pop them below. Thanks guys for watching and happy e-learning design.